How sweet is your love to me? I feel the true love by I always wonder how sweet is your love to me. I feel the true love by just the way you look at me. You would never know what you are to me. Oh, many words can say. I dream of you every little night, filling all the world with joy. I'm staring at gleaming eyes, tenderly whispering love. Just want to say to you, always I'll be with you. Always I wonder, is there a love like of you? Times may come and go, all things will fade away. My love will grow more and more.
Please ignore my restless face, 'cause it's so hard to keep it all together ever since we left. I guess it just makes sense to what the reasoning was when